welcome to our channel. I'm out here on the road with Marafi. We got a message saying we had a package in town. They didn't want to deliver it for some reason, either because of the dogs or it's hard for the driver. I don't know what the deal is with it, but it's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so we have nothing better to do. Right, hon? Nice to get out anyway and drive around a little bit. Get tired of being cooped up in the house all the time. I'm using this DJI gimbal thing for the phone, and the phone's crooked. It's at an angle to the left. I'll have to look at the manual and see if I can figure that out once. Nice out today. It was real windy for some reason all day. Not bad wind, but a nice 15 or 20 mile an hour wind. Would have been a good day to be out working. I just kind of sat around all day, didn't do a thing. The skies are clear to overcast in some areas, but the wind, you get wind like that, usually that means there's something sucking it from somewhere, and it was coming out of the south, so there might be some kind of storm north of us. There was supposed to be a tropical depression up by Manila. That's a long ways away, but I think it was more out. I think it kind of went out to sea and barely touched the top of Luzon. I haven't looked at the radar for a while, but nice tropical depression would be great for this area. Get about 10 hours of rain. Be fantastic. I need to get in the garden and loosen the soil up. That's what I need to do. I got so many weeds right now. Some of the weeds are waist high, grass and everything. And I don't have a weed eater thing anymore. And I can't cut it with a knife. No way, it never lasts. But I need to get the grass cleared out before I can do much digging. I could dig little spots, I guess, little holes every so often and start working it that way, and then just, shake the weeds out of the hole. But I'd like to get the ground saturated if I can. We've been having a couple little rains here and there. Nothing big, but enough that is making a difference for the weeds sure are growing, I'll tell you that. But we have clay, rock, and roots in our yard, and if the clay isn't broken up, the water just runs off of it. And but with steady rains for a month or so, the clay is almost workable for like a garden. All these vehicles here. The roads have been really crowded here in Bohol lately. Thanks for watching. Take care.